Mrs. Usman, ready for a wonderful story about apples. This is 10 apples up on top. So some of our friends in the story have apples. So we're going to start with 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look, I can do it too. He has 2 apples on top of his head. Look, see, I can do 3. 3, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top. Can you hop with 4 apples up on your head? I don't think I could do it. I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. That looks really hard. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I get 5 on top. Can you? I am good. I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. That's a lot of apples. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. Can you stand really tall and balance those many apples on your head? I don't know. 5, 6, 7. Fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. They all have 7 apples. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a lot of apples on top. And now see here, 8 on top. 8 apples up, not 1 will drop. 8, we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. Skating with 8 apples on your head? I don't know if I could do that. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. We can do this now, I think. We can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We all are very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. 9 is very good, but then, come on, we can make it 10. 10 apples up on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1 in their hands. Will it make it? Yes. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Look out. I see a moth. What might happen with that moth? Oh no, I will make the apples fall. Get out, 1 and all. Come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. I wonder if they're running super fast. Out of our way. We cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? We want to get our apples too. What's coming in here? There's a bird trying to eat them. They need to run. They will get them if we let them. Come on, we cannot let them get them. Look out, thumb up. You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop. Not 1. Are they protecting them with an umbrella? That's a great idea. Come on, all. We have to make those apples fall. So now they're being chased by all kinds of things. They must not get our apples down. Come on. Get out of town. Apples up on top. All of this must stop. Now all of our fun is going to stop. All of our apples are going to drop. What's coming up here? It's amazing. Oh no! They bumped into their big apple truck. Look, 10 apples all on us. What fun. We will not let them fall. Do they all have them now? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They all have 10. They all have 10 apples on top. So if you go to your bag of goodies, you will find a puppy. So we're going to put that down on the table. You can put it on your carpet, your floor, wherever you can. And you have a whole bunch of apples. First, we're going to sort them by colors. We have yellow and green and red. So where would this apple go? This one is a green one. Does it go here or here or here? Looks like it matches here, so that's a match. How about this one? It's yellow. Does it go the same one as the green? That one doesn't match. Does it go on red? No, but it does match the yellow one. That's great. Keep going. This one is red. Will it go the same place as the yellow one? Nope. Does it match the green one? Nope, but it does match the red one. And continue going with all your apples and see which one they fall on. But now we're going to see how many apples you can put on top of the dog. Are you ready? So we might have to put them down there. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do we do it? We did. And then we have our fun numbers next to them that we can take and put them next to the number. So start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, getting up there, 9, and 10. See if you can try that at home. Then you can mix them all up and try again. See if you can lay down on the floor and have all the apples on top of your head. Try it and have fun. Bye, friends. See you later.